After a long winter, before I can start using my lawnmower, I would like to charge the battery. It used to be a hassle before I added this plug here. Then I would have to unscrew both of these terminals and then I could get the battery out, and then when putting back it was also very annoying. Now I have this quick connect here. So removing the battery is very easy. You just unplug it and then you can use these ports to charge it. And it's like this. And the other end is like this. And if you want to put it back, just throw in the battery and it's done. The original bolts for the battery were here. I just put some new bolts and covered it with double heat shrink so it wouldn't touch or short circuit or something. And yeah, and these are now permanent. Of course it would be nice to use a trickle charger, but I don't have a power in my shed. It used to be such a hassle to undo these bolts because you can't pull the battery up or anything, so you had to like use this tiny space here in order to get to these bolts. Link for the product into the video description, and it was very cheap, I remember.